Assalamu alaikum. Rafi, can you hear me?
Yes.
Sorry, I have a bad. Sorry, I have a bad throat, and last time we were doing sets, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, do you have the past paper book with you?
Yeah.
Okay. Now look for it in the. We are looking for the topic of sets.
There is no topic of sex
There should be in the start.
in the startup. Oh yeah,
It should be 1.2.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you have 1.2, and once you get 1.2, you will find the years. Let's look for any question a bit older. Let's say if you can get a question of 2016, start looking from the first question.
Okay. Yeah. Question 4 is 2016.
2016. Okay, can you also guide me that is it?
March 16, P40, Q3A.
Q3.
Yeah.
Is there any paper 4?
Yeah, this is the paper 4 book.
Paper 42, question number 3.
Yeah. Yes.
That's good. Okay, look the question. Is it the same question?
Yes.
Okay. Devender asked some people if they ate mangoes, pineapples, or bananas last week. So M is equal to people who ate mangoes, P is the people who ate pineapples, and B is equal to people who ate bananas. The Venn diagram shows some of the information. Okay, have you read the question?
Yeah.
19 people said they ate mangoes. Okay, he says write the 3 missing values in the Venn diagram. So let's start our question. Work with me on the book. So it will be easy for you to submit the homework. You haven't submitted the homework yet. If you have done some questions, so make a part submission, and so that we can have a follow-up, because follow-up is very important. We have a paper obviously in a couple of months. So whatever you have done, once you are free today or tomorrow, make a file and just like submit 1 chapter, half chapter, whatever. 19 people said they ate mangoes. So can you see the circle of mangoes? This is the circle of mangoes.
Yeah.
Okay.
5 plus 7 plus 4.
5 plus 7 plus 4 will be 16.
Yes.
And total is 19. So if I take 19 minus 16, I will get
3.
3. So I can write
3.
3. Okay. Now read the second sentence.
6 people said they ate only pineapples. So we will write 6 in P.
6 people said they ate only pineapple. So we just write 6 directly, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That second line is also used up. 18 people said they ate exactly 2 of the 3 types of fruit.
So pineapple and banana.
Exactly 2 of the 3 fruits. Exactly 3 of the 2. Exactly 2. It means this is the number, this is the number, and this is the number. Let's say this number is X. So I should not take, I should not take this number, it is 3. Okay, now if
Yeah.
I take, these are the 3 entries and they together becomes 18.
Yes. So to 8.
Good. So this is 8.
Yes.
So we have used this entry, this part is done. Find the total number of people Devinder asked. There is no one outside. Always check this area. Is there anyone here
No.
from the question?
1.
Is there anyone who is not eating any of the fruit?
The 1 person outside.
Is there any person?
Yeah.
Where is the, that is the one person, got it.
Yeah.
That is the one person here. So if we add all of them, add all the entries, 5 plus 7 plus 6,
Okay.
5 plus 7 plus 6 plus 3 plus 4 plus 8
So 46.
plus 1,
46.
46. Find n of m intersection p. So what is common between mangoes and pineapple? The common between mangoes and pineapple will be this region. I'm shading it, this region. So mangoes
Yes.
and pineapple will be how much?
7 plus 4.
7 plus 4 is equal to 11. So we have done these two parts also. One person is chosen at random from the people who are mentioned, and we are talking about probability. We haven't done it. We are starting it now, inshallah. This is will be our next chapter. So we mark a left because this topic is not done yet. So I'm not doing it. It's a simple part, but we haven't done this topic. So I'm leaving it. Now, can you take the same thing and you go forward and you see what is the question after that in your book?
After that, it's functions, another chapter.
Hmm?
After that, it's functions, another chapter. A fraction, sorry.
They have shown no other question on sets.
No, sets is only 5 pages.
Oh, that's very strange.
Yeah.
Sure. How this is possible? Sets is coming very, very oftenly, but they have not shown any question. Hmm. Hmm. Well, it looks strange because in 2016, I have gone through 2 papers in June, and there is no question on sets.
Yeah, that's why I think it's 5 pages.
That looks very strange. That why there is no question on sets. Otherwise, sets is there at least once. Statistics is appearing everywhere in every paper, but why there is no question on sets? Matrices is there, and okay, what we do, we should go back. I think if you said your 5 pages, can you go back and see before this question, is there any question in 2017?
Yes. MJ 17 P43 Q10.
Question number?
10.
Okay.
Yeah,
Hmm.
this one.
Entity set is 21 to 30. A is a multiple of 3. A is a multiple of 3. So let me write A in number form. If it's a multiple of 3, then it will be 21,
And 24.
24,
And 27.
27, and 30. So just work with me on your book. So you have a direct solution, and B is a prime number.
B is a prime. So 20.
23
Yes.
and 29.
And yeah.
X is less than or equal to 25.
So 21, 22, 23, 24.
Complete the Venn diagram. Is there any number which is present in all A, B, and C?
20. No.
No. So we have no. So we do not write anything here. Okay. Any number which is common between A and B?
A. 29.
29.
Wait, no. No.
So just for the time being, I put 2 crosses here.
Yes.
Anything common between A and C?
Yes. 21 and 24.
Good. Anything common between B and C?
B and C. 23.
Very good. Now what left behind in A? 21,
A.
24 gone.
27, 30.
Okay. And what is in left behind in B?
B. 29.
Left behind in C?
22, 24.
24. But
Oh
24
no, 23.
used. So have you updated the diagram in your book?
Yes.
Good. Use set notation to complete the statement 26. 26 is a member of B. Is it present in B?
Yes.
Yes. In B.
Yeah.
26. Is it
Oh
present
no,
in
no, sorry. No.
No. So you will make this symbol and cross it like this. This symbol means not present in B.
Okay.
A intersection B.
Nothing.
So should I make this symbol?
Yes.
And this symbol stands for
Nothing. Or nothing.
List the elements of B union C intersection A. First of all, what is C intersection A?
Similarities between C and A.
Common between C and A. So what is common between C and A?
21 and 24.
21 and 24. Now unite it with B.
24 and 29.
If you unite it, we get 21, 23, 24, and 29. U means combine.
Yes.
You have copied the sets ABC, right?
Yeah.
Now you have to see part number D, N of C.
Okay.
Count the
Well,
number of members in C.
wait.
21, 22, 23, 24. How many entries?
4.
Good. B prime union B intersection C. So first, what is B intersection C?
B intersection. Uh, leaving B all the numbers.
No, what is common between B and C?
Common between B and C is 23.
Only one number.
23.
Yes. So I write, I'm showing the steps to the examiner. There are two possible ways, either you shade or you write. Shading actually makes us think smudge. And now, what can you tell me what is B prime? What do you mean by B prime?
Excluding B.
Exclude B. So
Yeah.
23, 29, left over 21 to 30.
29, 29 and 23 is left over. So 21, 22, 24, 27, and 30.
Now, unite them. B prime union B intersection C. Unite these two sets. Will 23 come back?
23, no,
Why not?
because it's in B.
But we are uniting, na? We are uniting these two sets.
Okay.
Now he says N. What is meaning of N? What's the meaning of N?
The total set.
Count.
Count. Okay. So now we will count the numbers now. So 9.
9. So share this working. A intersection C is a subset of A union C. Complete this statement using set notation. What is the symbol for subset? Is this the symbol?
Symbol for subs-
Is it right?
yes.
This is a symbol for subset.
Yeah.
Good. Do you have the paper 2 book with you?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Can you open it and see? I think 1.2 should be there also.
Okay. 1 second. Yeah, 1.2 is there.
Okay. And see the latest question there.
Okay. Question 5. No, wait.
First
Question
question.
1 is October 21. P22 Q19.
P22.
Yes.
You said paper 22, question number
19.
19.
Yes.
Okay. Is it the question? Small question.
Yes.
Okay. Let's read the question.
Uh, so we in the first one we will just shade the middle part.
He says in these Venn diagrams, shade the given region A prime union B prime. Now, I have given you two equations, which I told you they are rare. A prime union B prime actually means a very tricky equation is equal to A intersection B whole prime. First, write this step.
Okay.
Do you remember that I have given you two equations in my lecture and I told you that they are rare?
Yes.
This is one of them. There are two rare equations. Especially note, union becomes intersection when I took prime common.
Also, we will shade everything beside the circle.
This is a very tricky equation. Again, notice that when prime comes outside the bracket, the union becomes intersection. Did you notice that?
Yeah.
So this is a strange equation, but it works like here, and I shade it. C union D intersection E prime. We can use the concept of double shading to explain between us. In paper, you need to do single shading, but such questions should be done by a technique which is called double shading. Can you tell me what should I shade for bracket, for the bracket C union D? What is C union D? Let me shade C union D. Is it C union D?
Yes, you need to.
Okay, if you are shading with me, use a pencil. Shading is always done by pencil. Acha, can you tell me what is E prime? What does E prime means?
Excluding E.
Leave E and shade everything. Let me shade for you. I'm shading for E prime. This is called double shading method. Okay. What I have shared now,
Yeah,
the blue shading means bracket and the green
yeah.
shading means
The E.
not E, E prime.
E prime. Yeah.
Okay, what is the symbol between them? I have made a red arrow.
Enter
Inter
union.
intersection. So where the two shadings are intersecting, that would be your answer.
Yeah.
So can you tell me where the two lines are shading, where green and blue both are there? Can you identify where blue and green both are there?
The between the circles.
Yes. So if I shade it here, this one, look carefully. Is it the area where both shadings are there?
Yes.
So final answer is the red shading.
Okay.
This method is very tricky and it is called double shading method. Now in the paper, you can't leave it like this because examiner won't accept it. You have to do it roughly and then you know the red area you keep in your mind, and now I'm rubbing it. Okay.
Okay.
I'm rubbing it and now I know what is the answer. So in the answer, I will shade this one. Look
Okay.
this. This is called double shading method. In the paper, if you guess the right answer, then it's fine. But I always prefer that double shading is a bit time taking, but it always assure you that where the answer is. Intersection means the region where your both shadings are coexisting. Did you get this method?
Yes.
Okay. Now, can you get a question for me? Another question for me after that?
Uh, uh, October, November 21, paper 23, for
Question number
14.
is this the question?
Yes.
Complete the statement.
The similarities between P and Q, common numbers.
Complete the statement. P union Q is equal to this thing. P union Q. So P and Q combined. So should I write all of them?
Uh, yes, except the A.
Right. Very good. B, C, D. It's better to write in ascending order. But
Yeah.
if you do not, then it's not a problem, but it should be ascending. Okay. Find N of Q.
Um. 4.
You count them, right?
Yeah.
Good. P prime intersection Q. You can do it by shading, or you can do it by manual working. I have shown you manual working in previous questions. Let's try a method which is much faster, but it's tricky. The method says shading, mental shading. Okay, now double shading. But
Yeah.
can you see the first letter? It says P prime. Can you tell me what is P prime? P prime means what? Leave P.
Excluding P.
Okay, I leave P. Look, I'm leaving P and shading everything. Is it P prime?
Yes.
Acha. What is after P prime written Q?
Yes.
Okay. Method is double shading. I'm shading Q. Okay. What is between the two letters, the red arrow?
Intersection.
Can you locate for me what is the double shaded region where the two lines are intersecting?
The Q and the intersection.
Is it right? If I shade it red now, is this the double shading?
Yes.
Okay. Now in this double shading, what numbers are there?
4. Sorry, 3.
Double shading, 3 numbers.
Yeah, 3 numbers.
Okay, so I write here what?
3.
So
Okay.
this is a much faster method. You just need a mental work, and you got the answer directly 3. Otherwise, what you have to do, you have to first find out P prime, then intersection with Q, and then count it. But this method is fast, it's technical, and it is called double shading method.
Yes.
Can you find another question for me from the same book?
Okay. May, June 21, paper 22, question 12.
May, June 21,
Yes.
paper
22.
and question number.
Question number 12.
Now, is it the question?
Yes.
Integers greater than 2. Prime numbers, odd numbers, square numbers. But integers are greater than 2. So any number will be fine here. 2 greater than 2. Examiner is saying greater than 2. So
So
entity 3.
4, 5.
What should be the prime number after 5?
Prime number after 5. 11.
No. 7.
Oh, sorry, yes, 7.
And what about odd numbers?
Odd number is first 1, and then 3, 5, 7, 9.
Write with me. Square numbers.
Square numbers. 1, 4. Yeah, 4, 4, 9, 16, and 25.
He says describe the type of numbers in the set B prime intersection C. B prime means exclude B. So odd numbers should not be there. If they are not odd and you take common with C, they should be even numbers.
Yes.
B prime means not odd numbers, leave them. So if they are not odd numbers, they should be even numbers. Intersection C with square number. So those even numbers which are also square numbers.
Yes.
If you exclude odd, it will be even. So the numbers left behind will be even and square number. Like 16, like 4. Complete the
Yeah.
set labels on the Venn diagram. We have an entity set. Okay, now he's showing a circle inside the circle. When he's showing a circle inside a circle, is this mean that it should be a subset?
Yes.
Okay, now help me identify, is there any subset I have? You can see all the sets in front of you.
Yes. So Prime and odd.
Hmm. It's very strange because technically C is not a subset of any set. B is not a subset of any set. A is not a subset of any set.
Oh yeah.
Because everyone has some distinct numbers now.
Yeah.
So test everyone. Test C, test B, test A. But how he's taking it? Then what set he's taking it? Is he taking the square number? Square number, can it be a subset of no, C can't be a subset of any number. It's difficult because C can be a subset. Entity is obviously there, but the chance is very narrow. But what about B? No, B can't be there. Only chance goes with A.
Yeah.
A is a problem. A has a 2. Now, this is a tricky part. Look at carefully what numbers greater than 2. Oh, right. That's a mistake. Actually, in the question, he had said greater than 2. So
Yes.
I have to remove this entry. Did you see what mistake was
Okay.
happened?
Yeah. So we also have to remove 1 and 1.
Yes. This is where CI actually is very clever. So first update it.
Yes.
Okay. Now the chances are clear.
Yeah. A and B.
Now we can go for the chance that can A becomes the subset of B or B becomes a subset of A. I think
A
A
becomes,
can be.
yeah.
B can't be the sub. B looks to be bigger.
Yes.
So I can take A here and B here and C here.
Okay.
So that was the tricky point. He says shade the region D prime union E intersection F prime. I'm again using the double shading technique. Can you help me to first shade for the bracket?
For the bracket.
E intersection F and prime. So what is E intersection F prime means leave E intersection F part.
Yeah.
So if I'm shading it, everything is it right?
Yes.
Okay, now see the second link, this one.
D prime.
I have shaded one thing. This is my first part. Now, let's shade D prime. What is D prime means?
Excluding D. Leaving.
So I leave D and I'm shading in green now. I'm leaving D. This one. Now, using the red arrow, what the red arrow says.
Union.
What's the meaning of union? Unite them.
Yes.
So it means everything which I have shaded, I have made two shadings, okay? Green and this type of orange. He says unite them. So if I unite them and I put a question mark here, will it be left?
Yes.
because no shading is coming here. So if I
Yeah.
combine it, now I know that I have to shade everything actually. So I remove this double shading plan and I have to consider everything except the central part. So now I carefully shade.
Okay.
Now then, uh, so only this central part is left.
Yes.
So this is the answer.
Okay.
Can you find another question for me?
Okay. October, November 20, paper 21.
October, November, what?
20.
October, November 20.
Paper 21. Question 19.
Is this the question?
Yes.
In this Venn diagram, shade the region M prime union N union P.
The first people saw excluding M.
M union N union P. So again, try the double shading method. First, try what is written here, M prime.
Yeah.
What
Everything
is the
leave
of M prime?
everything excluding prime.
Is this M prime?
Yes.
Okay. Then what is written? Khali N.
Yes.
So this is N. Okay. Then what is written after that?
Only P.
Only P. So let's shade P. This is P.
Yes.
Now he says unite all of them. If I unite all of them, if I unite all the shading, will I leave this question mark?
Yeah.
Good. So double shading guided me that only leave this part. So now I rub this everything and I give them a single shading as my final answer. Look this one.
Yes.
Okay. Can you let me know any other question after that?
October, November 20, paper 23.
October, November 20,
Yes. Paper 23.
paper 23.
Yeah. Question 30.
Question number
30.
thirteen. Use
Yes.
set notation to describe the shaded region. Now that's a tricky question because this time examiner has shaded the sets and he wants us to find the equation. Now you can see, now this is a clever question because it always challenge everyone, every good student, that how we think on that. You have to think in this way, that what he has shaded is only B.
Yeah.
Okay. So if he has shaded B, has he excluded A?
Yes.
So first I write A prime.
And then
What of A prime?
excluding
After you excluded A, what you have shaded only?
union B.
No, if you unite, A will come back,
Oh,
but A
so
is not
interesting.
shaded. So it means you have only shaded B. So A prime intersection B.
B,
So why it's intersection B I'm taking?
because he only should.
The only part which is shaded is B. So
Yes.
A prime means leave B. And intersection B means shade the area after A, which is common with B.
Yeah.
Okay, can you look for another question for me after
Okay.
that?
May, June 20, paper 22.
May, June 20, paper 22.
Yeah. Question 7. We'll just shade the middle part.
Ah, that's so simple. Oh, that's a slow ball. That's very simple.
Yeah.
He just left the question like that. Okay, fine, good. It's a good question now. See the next question after that.
May, June 20, paper 23.
23.
Yes.
Question
Question 19.
19.
Yes.
Okay. In a class of 40 students, 28 wear glasses, 13 have driving lessons, and 4 do not wear glasses and do not have driving lessons.
Yes.
So it means 4 should be outside the circle
Yes.
and 28 wear glasses, 13 have driving lessons. Then what should be common between them? That's a question. If I
What?
add them, let's double check. 28 plus 13 plus 4. Can you add for
41.
me?
41.
Okay, how it's 41 while the class is 40?
Yeah, exactly.
It means
Wait,
there
no,
is
it's 45.
Hmm?
28 plus 13 plus 4 is coming as 45.
45.
Yeah.
It means there is 5 people who are counted double.
Yeah. Then yeah.
Okay, why I have subtracted?
Because they're 5 are taken both.
Ah, use set notation to describe the region that contains a total of 32 students. Okay, where is that 32 students?
Uh, no, wait. So 23 plus 5 plus 4.
It looks that he's counting these three.
Yeah.
So what is this region means?
D prime.
That's right, D prime. But if we leave D prime, and if we leave D prime, I think the D prime should be the answer.
Yeah.
If I leave D and I shade everything, it will be 32.
Yes.
So I should stop at D prime, right? D prime means everything outside D. So that will be 23 plus 4. No, 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 no. D prime is wrong because then it will be 27. If I leave D and I add 23 and 4, I will get 27.
Yeah.
It is D prime. If I D prime and combine with G, that's a possibility.
Yeah.
If I combine, if I D prime, okay, what I can do, I can take a D prime and unite it with G. If I take the whole G back, after D prime, I come out of D and then I unite with G, then it will be 23 plus 5 plus 4. Then it can be 32.
Yeah.